Chapter 4. More about Artificial Intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a branch of computer science that helps a machine behave like human beings. AI machines are as smart and intelligent as the human brain and react like humans. In this chapter, let's learn more about AI. History of AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, has its roots in the mid-20th century, with early concepts of machines mimicking human thinking appearing in the 1950s when the term was coined by John McCarthy. Early efforts focused on symbolic reasoning and problem solving, leading to the development of basic AI programs. Progress slowed during the AI winter in the 1970s and 1980s due to limited technology and unmet expectations. AI winter was the period when no development took place and is called the dark period or frozen period. The remarkable and noticeable growth happened in the mid of 1990s with advances in machine learning and computing power. The 2010s saw rapid growth with deep learning techniques, greatly enhancing capabilities in areas like image and speech recognition. Today, AI continues to evolve rapidly, integrating into various applications and industries, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in technology, ethics and society. Let's have a look upon the history of AI through the timeline given below. Types of AI. AI can be broadly categorized into three main types based on their capabilities. Narrow, weak AI. It is capable of performing only a specific tasks, such as voice recognition, image classification, or playing chess. These systems can perform only the predefined functions. Examples include virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, spam fillers, image recognition systems, and recommendation engines. General, strong AI. It has the ability to understand, learn and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, similar to a human. The best example is self-driving cars on the road that perform multiple functions at the same time. Super AI, a form of AI that surpasses human intelligence in all aspects, including creativity, problem solving and emotional intelligence. Technologies of AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, is applied to many devices. Key AI technologies include speech recognition. This technology allows machines to understand spoken language and generate human-like speech. Natural language processing, NLP. This technology enables machine to understand and generate human language. Google Assistant uses NLP to call a person from the contact list. Machine learning, ML, algorithms that learn patterns from data to make predictions or decisions. YouTube shows song list on the basis of previous choices you made. Computer vision, it enables machines to scan an image and use comparative analysis to identify object in the image. Example, Google Lens. Expert systems, AI that uses rules and logic to simulate the decision-making of human experts in specific field. Example, Grammarly app that corrects English. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, bridge the digital and real worlds. Both the technologies are used in entertainment, sports, gaming, education and healthcare, etc. The term augment means to add or to expand. Augmented reality means to add an imaginary object or environment into the real world. Example, during online classes through some video conferencing apps like Zoom, Google Meet, etc. You can change the background picture with any location of your choice. Do you know? Google Glass is an example of wearable AR interface. There are several areas where AR is used. Here's the list of such areas: education, gaming, navigation, healthcare, architecture, entertainment, military. The term virtual means almost real. Virtual reality means the imaginary world that seems real to eyes. Using special gadgets, we can feel and see the imaginary world with special effects. There are many fields where VR is used: healthcare, education, gaming, entertainment, design and visualization, automotive industry, retail, tourism, real estate, sport. Remember, Google Earth app lets you travel to any place on planet Earth and the moon. Future of AI. Artificial intelligence is expected to become more integrated into everyday life, with development in machine learning, natural language processing, robotics, and cognitive computing. It is used in almost every field of our day-to-day life, whether it is education, entertainment, healthcare, automotive industry, and many more. Let's discuss how AI can alter our home, city, and our school. Smart home. A smart home uses internet-connected devices to automate and remotely control household systems like security, lighting, heating, and appliances, improving convenience, safety, and security of regular homes. Smart city. A smart city uses digital technology and data to improve healthcare, education, infrastructure, transport facilities, and quality of life. Smart school. A smart school uses advanced equipments and technology to improve teaching and learning through digital tools, interactive whiteboards, online learning platforms, and smart classrooms that facilitate personalized learning, real-time feedback, and efficient management of school operations. Goals of AI. Goals of AI are diverse and can vary depending on the specific application, research area, or industry. In 2015, the General Assembly of United Nations identified 17 Sustainable Development Goals, SDG. They are aimed to be fulfilled by 2030 to end poverty, protect the planet. Let us learn about SDG. No poverty, end extreme poverty in all its forms everywhere is the first goal of United Nations. Zero hunger, end hunger and malnutrition, achieve food security, and promote sustainable agriculture. Good health and well-being, ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all. Quality education, ensure inclusive and equitable quality education for all. Gender equality, achieve gender equality and remove all sort of discrimination against women and girls all around the world. Clean water and sanitation, ensure availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all. Affordable and clean energy, ensure access to reliable, harmless, affordable and modern energy. Decent work and economic growth, promote productive employment and decent work for all. Industry, innovation and infrastructure, build safe and reliable infrastructure, support economic development and human well-being, with a focus on affordable and accessible resources to all. Reduced inequalities, reduce inequality within and among countries. Sustainable cities and communities, make cities inclusive, safe, resilient and sustainable. Responsible consumption and production, ensure sustainable consumption and production patterns. Climate action, take urgent actions to combat climate change and its impacts. Life below water, conserve and sustainably use the oceans, seas, and marine resources. Life on land, protect, restore and promote sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystems. Peace, justice, and strong institution, promote peace, equal justice for all and build strong law enforcement institution. Partnerships for the goals, strengthen the means of implementation and revitalize global partnerships for sustainable development. So, by working together, governments, organizations and individuals can contribute to realizing these goals, ensuring a better quality of life for current and future generations. Careers in AI. Artificial intelligence is undoubtedly an outstanding career with a vast scope. Let's discuss some top careers opportunities in AI. Researcher, a person who discovers ways to advance AI technology. Research scientist, a person responsible for conducting research and developing new technologies related to AI. A data analyst, a person who designs and creates data reports. Data scientist, a person who collects, analyzes and interprets data sets. Software engineer, a person who builds software products for AI applications. Software architects, a person who designs and maintains systems, tools, platforms and technical standards. Machine learning engineer, ML engineer, a person who uses data to design, build and manage machine learning software application. Business intelligence developer, by developer, a person who processes complex internal and external data to identify trends. Robotics scientist, a person who builds and maintains AI-powered robots. Big data engineer architect, a person responsible to gather, prepare and ingest an organization's data into a big data environment. Engineer, the professionals who specialize in human, including spoken and written information. Recap zone. AI term was coined by John McCarthy. AI can be categorized into three main types based on their capabilities. AI is applied to many devices. Key AI technologies include speech recognition, NLP, ML, computer vision and expert systems. In 2015, the General Assembly of UN identified 17 SDG.